how the applicants are related, sir? I think husband, father-in-law and mother-in-law.
Yes, my lord.
All right, sir. What are the allegations?
My lord, kindly see annexure P1, my lord. There are all the allegations are mostly general and omnibus. My lord, may I read the?
Sir, whether this analogy can be applied in case of father-in-law, mother-in-law, and for husband, or it is confined to near and dear relatives only?
Only, my lord, the father and mother of the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
My lord, this application which is annexure P1 only.
No, you said that the allegations are general and omnibus. My query is whether this analogy can be applied to the father-in-law and mother-in-law also.
Yes, my lord. My lord, may I read the annexure P1?
Yeah, please, sir.
पैरा 1 से मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। मैं प्रार्थी है रचना जाटव पत्नी वीरेंद्र जाटव निवासी वर्तमान हाल मुकास माइका ग्राम मियाखेड़ी थाना नटीगंज जिला विदिशा व अनावेदक वीरेंद्र जाट पता मकान नंबर 115 बी भवानी धाम फेस 2 अयोध्या बाईपास भोपाल है। यह कि श्रीमान मुझ प्रार्थी रचना जाटव के साथ मेरी ससुराल में मेरे पति वीरेंद्र सिंह साथ ज्योति जाटव ससुर राम सिंह के द्वारा कम दहेज देने की बात को लेकर घटना दिनांक 14/11/23 की रात्रि 11 बजे मेरे साथ मारपीट की और मुझे गंदी गंदी गालियां दी, जान से मारने की व जिंदा जलाने की धमकी दी। गंभीर घटना से घटित होकर मैं अपने भाई को बुलाया और दिनांक 15/11/2023 को मैं अपने मायके मियाखेड़ी आई और मैंने घटना की सारी बात अपने भाई रजनीश, मेरी माँ शीलाबाई और जगदीश को बताई। आज दिनांक को मैं घटना की रिपोर्ट कर रही हूँ। यह कि श्रीमान मैं प्रार्थी रचना जाटव पितरी उधम सिंह जाटव निवासी मियाखेड़ी, मेरा विवाह 30 मई 2023 को अनावेदक वीरेंद्र सिंह जाटव पुत्र राम सिंह जाटव निवासी भोपाल के साथ घर से गंगा मैरिज गार्डन तिलकखेड़ी विदिशा में संपन्न हुआ था। वधु पक्ष से रचना जाटव के पिता द्वारा अनावेदक पति वीरेंद्र सिंह जाटव सास ज्योति जाटव ससुर राम सिंह की दहेज मांग के अनुसार गृह गृहस्थी का संपूर्ण सामान, सोने चांदी के आभूषण, 2 पहिया वाहन, नगद लघुन व वारंटी की नगद राशि 1,80,000 रुपए दिए थे। विवाह के समय कम पैसे मिलने से वर एवं उसके पिता व अन्य लोगों ने नाराजगी की। वह विवाह के समय ही झगड़ा करने लगे थे। रिश्तेदारों के माध्यम से समझाई दी यह कि श्रीमान विवाह के समय से ही प्रार्थी का पति वीरेंद्र सिंह जाटव सास ज्योति जाटव एवं ससुर राम सिंह जाटव द्वारा माँ बहन की गंदी गंदी गालियां दी और
what are the grounds? I have read. What are the grounds, sir? Please. What are the grounds for quashment? On what ground you are seeking quashment?
My lord, as per section 498, my lord, there must be some cruelty, any willful contact which is such of nature that is likely to drive the woman to commit suicide.
But compelling a married woman to leave her matrimonial house and to reside in her parental house on account of non-fulfillment of demand of dowry, will it not amount to mental cruelty? That is the question, sir. Please answer that.
My lord, she is hardly lived with the petitioner.
Hardly matters, sir. We cannot consider your defense. The defense is yet to be proved by you before the trial court or in the trial court, right, sir?
My lord, on the trial court, she has the witness petition number.
Yes, sir.
She was declared, my lord, hostile on 9/5/2024, my lord.
So why I don't know why you have not placed the copy of that or deposition sheet. I will not take it in such a manner.
My friend Harsh.
Number one. Number two, whether I can quash the proceedings on the basis of evidence which is being recorded in the trial.
No, my lord. I am not saying that, my lord.
So, please confine your arguments to the documents filed along with the charge sheet and the allegations made in the FIR or 161 statement.
My lord, kindly see annexure P4, which is a counseling. Where
in that proceeding, she has specifically alleged that not only her husband is in the habit of assaulting her on the ground of demand of dowry, but the parents-in-law are also alleging that useless articles have been given in dowry. And that's why she doesn't want to reside with you. So these are the specific allegations even in the counseling.
My lord, in the counseling, they have accepted there is no physical relations between them. She hardly lives with the petitioner number 1 for, my lord, 2 months. And the reason, my lord, may see annexure P10, my lord, is page number 40. She was having medical ailments. Therefore, that was not disclosed to the husband, my lord.
Sir, it may be a good ground for you to obtain a divorce provided it is permissible. But it can't be a ground to commit cruelty. And first of all, tell me the scope of interference at this stage. Can I consider your defense, or I have to decide on the basis of uncontroverted allegations? Sir, I am not getting any response from your side.
My lord,
Sir, please argue even a single case. Please rely on a single case decided by a larger bench of the Supreme Court to show that even the defense can be considered, and without any formal proof of the defense of the accused can be taken note of.
My lord, with the document submitted by the respondent, my lord, there is not a specific allegation, my lord. No.
So please point out whether the specific allegations are to be there against father-in-law and mother-in-law, or passing of taunt is sufficient. So what does the Supreme Court says in Taramani Parekh case? Sir? Sir, have you seen that judgment? Passed in the case of Taramani Parekh versus State of MP, 2015, volume 11 SCC.
No, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
Well, that is the difficulty, sir. So anything else, sir?
My lord, the cruelty or the harassment, my lord, there is nothing material on record, my lord.
Whether compelling a married woman to leave her matrimonial house on account of non-fulfillment of demand of dowry is a cruelty or not?
My lord, she has voluntarily left the house.
Sir, please answer. Whether she has voluntarily left the house, or you have compelled her to leave her house, or you have ousted her house, ousted her from the matrimonial house. These are the defenses which are to be adjudicated by the trial court. And so far as the suggestion which you are trying to give that she has turned hostile, that is completely false, sir. Whenever a witness forgets to depose anything in examination in chief, then the public prosecutor cannot put a leading question to such witness, and the only option available is to declare that witness as hostile and then to ask the questions. She was declared hostile, and thereafter she admitted all the allegations. She has not disowned any allegation which was being suggested by you, sir. Anything else, sir?
Yes, my lord. On record, my lord.
Pardon, sir?
The document, my lord, I have submitted on the record, my lord, the annexer 1 to annexer 311.
I'm not able to understand that what you are saying, whether you are asking for adjournment or you are asking for something else.
My lord, may give an adjournment, my lord.
Sorry, sir. Adjournment is impossible. The moment a lawyer realizes that he may not get a favorable order, then he should not ask for adjournment. That gives a very bad picture about the lawyer.
My lord, all the documents.
Number 2705/25, sir.
My lord, the document annexer P4 on
I don't know, whatever documents you are having, you have already filed those documents. Please prove your documents before the trial court, and even otherwise, I do not find any relevance of those documents. What is the relevancy of the mark sheet of the respondent number 2? I could not understand.
My lord, she has falsely shows before the marriage age about her age and the medical ailments.
Please point out, it is a good ground to commit cruelty. She might have misrepresented, no problem. Can it be a ground to commit cruelty, sir? Please point it out.
No,
you might be having some grievance, but we are on a legal side.
My lord, on the counseling, my lord, we have come to know about the age and the.
बहुत अच्छी बात है, तो काउंसलिंग होने से पहले ही मारपीट चालू हो गई थी, आपका कहना है?
She hardly lived for 2 months, my lord.
Thank you, sir. Either give me a judgment or develop your argument that getting marriage by misrepresenting the age is a good ground to commit cruelty or is a good ground to obtain divorce. Whatever you want to say, you may submit. Can it be a ground for divorce? Is that the actual age was suppressed? Please elaborate your argument on that issue, sir.
Yes, my lord, this is for the.
Then
Yes, my lord.
morally may be right, morally may be wrong. It is none of our business, sir. We are not here to teach morality to anybody. We are here to consider the cases strictly in accordance with law. That
Yes.
is our limitation, sir.
Yes, my lord.
Chaliye. Thank you, sir.
Bill number 28,